Hi students, we are going to see solving system of linear equations. System of linear equation in matrix form. System of linear equation means three or more equations in terms of x and y and z. Now write the three equations in matrix form. Matrix form means first listen, x term 2, y term 3 minus 5. 2, 3 minus 5. Second equation, x term minus 3, 7, 2. Minus 3, 7, 2. And the third equation, 6 minus 3 minus 8. 6 minus 3 minus 8. And the unknowns, x, y, z are unknowns. And the constant, plus 7 go to that side, minus 7, 17. Plus 24 go to that side, minus 24. This is a matrix form of the system of linear equations. Now, consistent and inconsistent. The system of linear equation having at least one solution is said to be consistent. That means, now solving these two equations, solving this linear equation, we get at least one solution. The system is consistent. The system of linear equation having no solution is said to be inconsistent. That means we cannot find the solution. Now the system is inconsistent. The system is inconsistent. Now the solution of the system of equations can be found by any one of the following methods. Three methods given: matrix inversion method, Cramer's rule, Gaussian elimination method. Now in exercise 1.3, exercise 1.3, we are going to see matrix inversion method. See that one, exercise 1.3, first sum, solving the following system of linear equation by matrix inversion method. Two equations given. Now solution, the matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. The formula is Ax equal to B. I will take A equal to the matrix 2, 5. Here no element means this is the meaning 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 1, 2. X equal to the unknowns x, y. B equal to the constant minus 2, minus 3. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. X equal to A inverse B. We want to find A inverse. A inverse means first we want to find mod A. Mod A means simplify 4 minus 5 minus 1 not equal to 0. Next add J. Add J means change the numbers and change the sign. Now A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into add A. Mod A value minus 1. 1 by minus 1 add A value you have to write. A inverse equal to, the minus 1 go to the inside, minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. X equal to, the solution is x equal to A inverse B. Appa x equal to xy. A inverse, write the value. B equal to minus 2, minus 3. Now using matrix multiplication method, simplify minus 2 plus 4, 5 minus 3, multiply minus 15. Similarly, second row, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Simplify minus 11 plus 4. Therefore, x equal to minus 11, y equal to 4. Get the answer. Similarly, the second sum, 2x minus y equal to 8, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 2 given. The matrix form of a system is Ax equal to B. Now, A equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 3, 2. X equal to unknowns, xy. B equal to constant, 8 minus 2. The solution is x equal to A inverse. A go to that side. A inverse B. Mod A, modulus value 4. Here minus 3 formula minus plus 3. Now 4 plus 3 equal to 7 not equal to 0. Add J means change the numbers, change the sign. Get the answer. A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into add J. Mod A value 7. Upper 1 by 7 add J you have to write. X equal to A inverse B. The solution is x equal to xy. A inverse value you have to write. B equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Now using matrix multiplication method. 2s are 16 minus 2. Next, second row, minus 24 minus 4. Simplify, we get 14. Here, minus 28. Now divided by 7. Here, now divided by 7. Cancel 2. Cancel 4. That is x value equal to 2. Y value equal to minus 4. Y value equal to minus 4. Equations given. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9. X plus y plus z equal to 9. 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. A equal to, now 3 by 3 matrix, 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1. A. X equal to unknowns, 3 unknowns, x, y, z. B equal to the constant 9, 9, 9, minus 1. The solution is x equal to, A go to that side, A inverse B. Now A inverse B, first we want to find modulus A. Modulus A means 3 by 3 matrix means using first row, expand this value 2 into minus 1, here minus of minus plus 1. Here second term, take minus 3. Next leave this row and column. Here minus 1, minus 3. Here minus 1 and leave this row and column, minus 1, minus 3. Here minus 1 plus 1, 0. Next minus 3, here minus 4, minus 1, here also minus 4. Now this value equal to 0. Here minus 12, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Here minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, this is equal to the value is 16, not equal to 0. Next we want to find adj. Adj means first we want to find cofactor of A. Cofactor of A means now we can easily find using determinant form. Determinant form, simplify, we get minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 minus 3. Here minus 1 minus 3. Here minus 3 minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 minus 9. And the simplification we get, see that one, 0 minus 4, here plus 4, minus 4, here minus 4 plus 4, 1, here minus 11, here also 1 minus, plus 11, 4, minus 3, minus 1. Now adj means transpose of the cofactor. Transpose of the cofactor. Now transpose, take transpose, we get the answer. By A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into adj. 1 by mod A value 16, 1 by 16, write adj. X equal to A inverse B. X equal to A inverse B. Here x equal to 3 unknowns, x, y, z. A inverse, write this value, and B equal to 9, 9 minus 1. Now using this matrix multiplication method, first row multiply 0, 36 minus 4, and the second row 36 plus 9 plus 3, and the third row minus 36 plus 99 plus 1. Simplify, we get here 32, second row simplify 48, third row simplify 64. Now each and every term divided by 16. Cancel 2, here also cancel 3, here also cancel 4. 2, 3, 4. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. Similarly, same method, fourth sum. X plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. 3 equations given. The solution is this minus 2 go to that side, plus 2. Here also minus 31 go to that side, plus 31, and write the third equation. The same, the matrix form of the equation is Ax equal to B. Write A, x, B. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. First we want to find mod A. Mod A, you know the value 27 not equal to 0. Similarly, next we want to find adj. Adj means first we want to find cofactor of A. Cofactor of A, you know, simplification you know. Okay, find properly. Adj means transpose of the cofactor. Find that value. A inverse equal to 1 by 27 Adj value. That is x equal to A inverse B. X means 3 unknowns x, y, z. A inverse value you have to write B equal to 2, 31, 13. Now using matrix multiplication method we get the values, and simplify we get 81 minus 54, 27. Each and every term divided by 27 we get 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 1. We get the answer. Thank you, students.